To set up secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S26, open the settings for the first and next navigate for security and the privacy settings. Now you will have to go below for more security settings, and over here you have to just go for secure folder, which is located here. Now we have to scroll all the way down, click continue. Of course you can read all of those information, but that's just base things. We have to just accept everything one by one to enable the secure folder. Here you can find a short preview, so the most useful features, how it looks, how it works, and even some previews, how we can, for example, hide in the secure folder. Now as you can see, we have to set a screen lock for a secure folder. In my case, I'm using the same password that I'm using for my screen lock. But if you want to improve security, you should actually use the different one. But it's just a tutorial video, so I'm showing you quickly how to set this up. Now you can also allow lock reset with a Samsung account. Very useful if you forget a password into the secure folder, because without this option, you will be not able to get access into the secure folder anymore. Now, you can even use a fingerprint to lock or unlock your secure folder and click next. Now, there's also a very important feature that I can highly recommend you to switch to close all apps while locked. Very important, because thanks to this, nobody will be able to get access into your apps that are still in the background. Now we have to click done, and as you can see, we are here. So now, if you want to quickly add here some applications, click on the plus, and you can just simply pick anything that is on your phone, or you can just download this from the Google Play Store. Once you actually select everything, you will have to click add in the right bottom corner. And now you have to click on the three dots, and here you can go into the settings and change that option. It was just over here. I mean the pattern. Yeah, I was talking about pattern, because when you select a pattern and try to input it, someone can see this. So if you want to get more protection, you should actually hide your pattern. And also the auto lock. So highly recommended to get this one when screen turns off, because when you select, for example, after 5 minutes, then in this time someone can get your phone and get access into the secure folder. When you select the first option, then it will be always protected with a password. And of course you can, for example, sort applications with an alphabetic order, with a custom order. You can go for the hide apps. So as you can see here, what is hidden? Chrome, Google, and Google Maps, but you can unhide them. There we go, and they will be visible over here. So that's up to your choice. As you can see, it's even more advanced option. So in the secure folder, you can hide apps. So even if someone open it, will be not able to see those apps until enter here. And now we can even hide the secure folder. So it will be not visible in the application drawer. So as you can see, to unhide secure folder, we have to tap the secure folder button in the quick panel settings. So we are clicking here. And right now when we close this, the secure folder will be not here, but it will be visible just over here. We have to find the secure folder, tap on it, and now we can input a password and open it. And this is everything for this video. Thanks for watching.